Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park flight field. We're going to take up the Hobby King TTX Cessna and have a little bit of fun with her. This plane here, it's a fun little plane, but it has been a source of frustration for me. Mainly because the problems I've had with the ailerons and the wing connections. But it's a fun little plane to fly. It really is. And the problem I'm having is the way the wing connection comes in. You really have to anchor that wing down in order to keep that connection good. But kind of windy today, so she's flying kind of squirrely. She can be a fast little plane, that's for sure. Got those landing flaps all the way down. But if you do get this plane, you may as well just go ahead and take that front wheel skirt off the nose gear. It's worse than useless. Just let you know. It really is. And the plane is very stable as far as the low wing goes. You do have to come in with some, a little bit of power. You can't come in completely dead stick. But forgiving plane, very forgiving. Well, anyways, that's it. That's just a quick little flight there of the Cessna TTX by Hobby King. And it's just a fun little plane to fly. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.